Hey there, welcome to Soulful Kitchen, where timeless design meets everyday living. Today we're stepping into the elegant world of U-shaped kitchens inspired by the legendary Bunny Williams and her signature winter aesthetic. Get ready to explore spaces where classic beauty, warm textures, and thoughtful details create kitchens that never go out of style. There's something magical about a kitchen wrapped in ivory elegance where winter light dances across marble counters and brass catches the glow. This U-shaped beauty invites you into a world where classic shaker style meets seasonal warmth, with evergreen touches whispering tales of timeless gatherings and gentle mornings spent savoring quiet moments before the day unfolds. Picture yourself in this dove gray sanctuary where sophistication feels effortless and every detail tells a story. The marriage of cool marble and warm reclaimed wood creates that perfect balance Bunny Williams champions, while transferware collections and mercury glass remind us that beauty lives in the treasured pieces we gather over time, each one adding character and soul. Cream cabinetry and butcher block warmth wrap around you like a favorite sweater, creating that cozy embrace we all crave during winter months. The Mediterranean whisper of terracotta underfoot and unexpected pops of pattern show how mixing textures and eras creates spaces that feel collected rather than decorated, lived in rather than staged for a magazine shoot. Bold chocolate and creamy marble dance together in this space where contrast becomes conversation. There's confident elegance in pairing dark richness with bright surfaces, a signature move that proves timeless design isn't about playing it safe, but about finding balance through unexpected partnerships that somehow feel absolutely right when you see them come together beautifully. Soft sage wraps these walls in the most serene winter hug, where pale limestone and hexagonal floors create quiet sophistication without shouting for attention. This kitchen understands that true elegance whispers rather than shouts, letting natural materials and thoughtful details like zinc hoods and transferware displays create a space that feels both fresh and forever, collected and calm. Navy depths meet crisp white heights in this showstopper where two-tone drama creates visual magic across 3 walls. The book-matched marble behind the range is pure luxury, while brass accents warm everything up just right, proving that bold color choices anchored by classic materials create kitchens that transcend trends and stay stunning through every passing season and style shift. Natural oak brings the outdoors inside, wrapping this space in organic warmth where grain patterns tell forest stories and black granite counters provide striking punctuation. There's honest beauty in celebrating wood's natural character alongside cottage simple beadboard and iron accents, creating a kitchen that feels grounded, genuine, and gloriously free from pretension, while maintaining sophisticated charm throughout. Soft white cabinetry becomes a canvas for Calacatta Gold's stunning veining, where marble's natural drama needs no competing voices. Crystal knobs catch light like tiny chandeliers while brass fixtures add just enough warmth to keep things from feeling too precious, creating that perfect balance between elegant and approachable that makes you want to linger over morning coffee. Charcoal gray cabinetry brings modern edge to traditional bones, proving contemporary and classic can absolutely be best friends. Belgian bluestone floors anchor the space with old-world soul while sleek hardware keeps things current, showing how mixing eras and styles creates layers of interest that give a kitchen depth, personality, and that collected over time feeling everyone wants. Antique white with glazed patina exudes refined elegance where every detail feels considered and cherished. Heart pine floors glow with historical warmth beneath plaster hoods and marble surfaces, while blue and white china collections bring pattern and story to glass front cabinets, creating a kitchen that honors tradition without feeling stuffy or stuck in another century. Pale blue-gray walls create the softest winter cocoon where butcher block warmth meets whitewash floors in perfect harmony. Vertical subway tiles add unexpected geometry while aged brass hardware provides those finishing touches that elevate simple into special, proving that gentle color and natural materials create kitchens with staying power that never feel dated or tired. Forest green lowers meet cream uppers in this stunning study of balanced contrast where two-tone cabinetry creates visual depth without overwhelming. Herringbone backsplash adds subtle geometry while brass accents tie everything together beautifully, demonstrating how strategic color placement and mixed finishes create sophisticated spaces that feel both dynamic and harmonious, bold yet balanced throughout. Rich walnut wraps these walls in dark, sophisticated beauty where white marble provides brilliant contrast, and open shelving breaks up solid expanses. The drama of deep wood against bright surfaces creates striking elegance, while brass accents add warmth that keeps things from feeling too austere, proving that bold material choices anchored by quality craftsmanship create enduring appeal. Grayish cabinetry provides the perfect neutral foundation where warm granite and reclaimed barnwood floors add layers of texture and history. Mixed hardware combining knobs and pulls shows attention to detail, while chicken wire cabinet inserts bring country charm without going full farmhouse, creating a kitchen that feels collected, comfortable, and confidently timeless through every season ahead. So there you have it, 14 stunning ways to bring timeless U-shaped elegance into your home with Bunny Williams-inspired warmth. From soft neutrals to bold contrasts, these kitchens prove that classic design never fades. If you love this journey through elegant spaces, hit that like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and drop a comment telling us your favorite kitchen style.